This is an A4 paper. Fold it from the middle toward the left. Open the fold again, and now fold this part toward the center. We fold this one the same way. And now fold this from point 2 toward point 1. Then we rotate it, and now fold both sides toward the center. And now we fold it in the middle and press it like this. And now fold these petals downward. And now rotate it and fold this side the same way. Now, make creases like this and cut along these lines. And now we've made an awesome long-distance jet. Subscribe for more paper jets.